Hi everyone, I am Priyanka from Paper Rose Studio and this is my last kit for this year, December monthly kit. And so let me show you what I got. So I've got the Christmas Tree Farm 12 by 12 and Christmas Tree Farm Basics 12 by 12. This one I've got in 12 by 12 and 6 by 6 as well. Then I got the Christmas time floral embossed die cuts because I've almost used everything from this for my previous project, and then Christmas tree farm embossed die cuts again, right? And then I got the sentiments. These are all occasion sentiment sheets, 12 sheets, and these are longer ones in the same font. And the other one is black and white card making sentiment sheets. These are in white and black, different fonts, and the basic sentiment that we need for our card making. So let me open all of these and show you. So Christmas Tree Farm Basics has the beautiful sentiments at the back. These are in different colors as well as fonts, perfect for all your layouts and albums. Then this is the first sheet. This is the A sheet, and love the whole scene here. At the back you get these toy soldiers, and you always get these half-inch strip on the 12 by 12 paperbacks. The next sheet is this one. This is the B sheet, poinsettias, beautiful flowers. You can fussy cut them out and layer. Then you have the green wooden panels. Then you have this farm with the Christmas tree and snowy effect, little bit musical notes on the top. Love this paper. Then at the back again you have the lined up animals, really pretty. Okay, then they have the farm basics D sheet. These are the 3 by 4 journal cards. You can use them as tags or even decorating, and even fussy cut them out if you are falling short of elements and then use them. Then we have these diagonal stripes, beautiful colors. Then they've given a little bit of pastel just to tone it down. This is quite soothing. And then you have the berries in the pots. Love this as well. Then we have the holly and the berries, beautiful pattern paper. And then you have the dark red color in the wooden panel. And then you have all the sheets in all the designs in 2 sheets. So that's how the paper repeat themselves. That was Christmas Tree Farm Basics. And now let me show you the major one, the Christmas Tree Farm normal one. Then again you have the sentiments at the back. These are in a bit darker shades. Then this one has different tags, some images, some borders, different designs for tags and different things. Love it. Then they have this plaid kind of background paper. Then they have these tickets and postage stamps and small tags here. You can fussy cut them out or use this as a background. Then you have the back brown wooden panels. Then this is the third sheet. Lots of presents with a beautiful wooden background and a bow with the leaves. Then we have the kitten. Okay, this one with the flowers. Then on this D sheet you have 4 by 6 big journal cards, or you can use them as a fussy cut out picture and make a big focal point on your card. Then you have the same pattern in the green color. The next sheet is this one, cute wooden house with a bird and some bells, and the back as well you have the bird pattern. Then the papers are not complete with the Santa, isn't it? So then we have the Santa with the fence and a Christmas tree in snowflake background. Really love it. And then the Christmas trees at the back pattern. And then you have another sheet of the same designs. So this is how this paper pack is. I was so confused which one to get for myself, so I ordered both the sizes, because sometimes when you're making some interactive cards you need a bit smaller elements. So I thought this is going to go well with that, especially if your pop-ups are quite movable, so you need elements that can easily fit on smaller cards. So I thought let's just get both the sizes. So this one is the 6 by 6. All right, this is exactly the same as you saw in the 12 by 12, and that's the back, 5 and then 6. All right, now let me show you the sentiments. The sentiment is thinking of you, best wishes, Father's Day, happy birthday, congratulations. Okay, so all of these are to go with all your cards. Mother's Day with sympathy, and you can see all the beautiful fonts. Some look very pretty with some designs, the other goes well with the simple designs. So yeah, these are the black and white card making sentiment sheets, and this one is all occasions, right? So they have a longer one as well, like congratulations on your new home, welcome to the neighborhood. And this one is a very easy to read font, very straightforward. So you have a bit bigger font as well, bigger font size and a smaller font size, and you have it in black and white. Okay, so this is it for these sentiment sheets. Right now let me show you these ones again. If you've seen my previous videos, you must have already seen this. These are the embossed die cuts. They have this beautiful glaze to them. If you just put your finger on it, you can feel the embossed texture, and then they are ready to use. You can just pop them out from the element sheet and then just use it on your cards. Okay, so I made some tags with these beautiful elements. So you get 4 sheets in one pack, and then they are ready to use, right? So this one is Christmas tree farm embossed die cuts. The florals are very pretty. You can layer them, make some borders or some hangings. Okay, so they have even the flower pots, the wreaths, the arrangements in different shapes. So I love this. I've almost used everything, so I ordered one more. So this is it for this month. Stay tuned for inspirations, and wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. See you next time. Bye.